In terms of design, BYD Yuan UP follows a trendy and youthful design route, continuing the design style of the BYD dynasty family as a whole while adding many personalized elements of its own. I believe that after seeing the real car, many people will feel that Yuan UP follows the cool and handsome route with a little more cuteness. The front of the car uses a sealed design. The upper part is connected to the LED headlights on both sides with a glossy black decorative panel. The lower part is a lower grille with two geometric chrome trim strips and shapes on both sides. The aerodynamic design of the LED headlights includes two L-shaped daytime running light groups. There is also an L-shaped daytime running light group on the lower edge of the headlight. The general shape is full of modernity. The length, width and height of Yuan UP are 4,310 mm/1830 mm/1675 mm and the wheelbase is 2,620 mm. It is positioned as an AO class SUV. Besides the AO class new energy and fuel SUVs, competing products also include smaller AO class products. The charging port of Yuan UP, a pure electric product, is located on the front right of the car and has both fast charging and slow charging interfaces. The waistline of the body is quite smooth and also adopts the shape of a suspended ceiling. Black guards similar to the front bumper can also be clearly seen on the side skirts, and a chrome coating similar to the front lower grille is used. The latter are equipped with semi-hidden door handles and the front and rear black wheel arches are decorated with white paint. Finally, the two-tone rims with low wind resistance on the body are equipped with two 15/60 R17 Chaoyang SU 318 tires, which are road tires specially designed for urban SUVs. The rear of the car has a large spoiler and LED taillights underneath. The inside of the light cavities on both sides also adopts a design similar to Chinese knots. The lower perimeter is equipped with a more exaggerated black protection than the front. Its surrounds and the bottom part is made of metal chrome. The interior follows a simple family design route with dark and light colors creating visual boundaries. The flat-bottomed three-spoke, multifunction steering wheel controls the multimedia and driver assistance functions on either side and has the Chinese yuan character engraved in the center. The style of the full LCD instrument panel is similar to other BYD models. In the middle part there are displays such as energy consumption, tire pressure, competition mode, etc. can be viewed. Additionally, the real-time model is equipped with a HUD head-up display that can display driving assistance functions as well as normal speed. The hanging central control screen in the car supports vertical flippable screen mode, uses BYD's latest D-Link, and supports online navigation, online music, Himalaya, cloud listening. There is also a built-in BYD application market and friends who need it can download and add it later. Finally, the roof is equipped with an integrated panoramic sunroof and electric sunshade with a large lighting area. In terms of power, BYD Yuan UP is built on e-Platform 3.0 and is equipped with a TZ200XSW model permanent magnet synchronous drive motor. The maximum power is 70/130 kW and the corresponding peak torque is 180/290 Nm respectively. In addition, the vehicle is equipped with an air conditioning switch and an advanced electronic small gear knob with physical buttons located only on the perimeter, including air volume, blind spot monitoring, automatic parking, energy recuperation level, and drive mode adjustment. Yuan UP is equipped with its own lithium iron carbonate battery with battery packs with a capacity of 32 kWh and 45.12 kWh respectively, corresponding to the CLTC's pure electric cruising range of 301 and 401 km.